Let us start the chapter which is on page 89 and 90. Types of chemical reaction. There are different types of reaction, that is chemical reaction. First type is synthesis. The synthesis other name is combination. From the word itself, you come to know what type of reaction it is. Two or more substance combined chemically to form a single product. This type of reaction is called synthesis reaction or combination reaction. For example, burning of magnesium. Magnesium is a metal, it burns. That means burning occurs in the presence of oxygen. So, Mg react with oxygen, you will get one product, that is magnesium oxide. Mg is one substance, oxygen is another substance. Two substances combined to form only one product, that is magnesium oxide, white color substance. This is your activity 5. We will do in the class. The next type of chemical reaction is decomposition reaction. The other name is analysis reaction. It is just opposite to synthesis reaction. In synthesis reaction, you got only one product. In decomposition reaction, you will have only one reactant. What is decomposition reaction? One reactant on heating decomposed to more than one product, that is called decomposition reaction. Here product number is more, reactant number is less. But in combination or synthesis reaction, product number is less, but reactants number is more. For this decomposition reaction, we need any form of energy like sun energy, that is radiation energy, or heat energy, that is called thermal energy. What does this mean? This shows that in order to proceed decomposition reaction, it needs any types of energy like light energy, heat energy, etc. So this reaction is called endothermic reaction. Now tell me, what is endothermic reaction? It is a reaction in which energy is absorbed. Activity 6 is to demonstrate decomposition reaction. Here the materials required are sugar, hard glass, test tube, spirit lamp. We are going to heat the sugar crystals. On heating, it first melt, then change into liquid, then change into solid carbon, black color carbon. That means it forms new compound. That is also we got more than one product. Reactant is only one, that is sugar. On heating sugar, we got two products, that is carbon and steam. Here product number is more than the reactant number, so this reaction is called decomposition reaction. The next type of reaction is displacement reaction. What is the definition of displacement? It is a reaction in which very strong element displaces weak element from the compound. Such a type of reaction is displacement reaction. For example, when you put iron nail in the copper sulfate solution, iron is stronger than copper ion. So iron displaces copper and form iron sulfate plus copper. Such a reaction is called displacement reaction because high reactive element iron displaces less reactive element copper from the copper sulfate. Thus it forms new product, iron sulfate and a copper. Such a reaction is called displacement reaction. We have studied on heating sugar, we get charcoal, that is carbon, which on cooling forming a sweetly smelled compound caramel, which is used for flavoring agent in preparing sweets.